To create a portfolio in the Yahoo Finance app, start by downloading and installing the app on your mobile device if you have not already done so. Once installed, open the app and sign in with your Yahoo account credentials or create a new account if needed. After signing in, navigate to the Portfolios section, which is usually located at the bottom of the screen. Tap on the Portfolios tab and then click on the Create Portfolio button. You will be prompted to enter a name for your portfolio, so choose a name that is descriptive and easy to remember. Next, you will need to add stocks, bonds, or other investments to your portfolio. You can do this by searching for the ticker symbol of the investment you want to add, or by browsing through the various categories and sectors listed in the app. Once you find the investment you want to add, tap on it and then click the Add to Portfolio button. As you add investments to your portfolio, you will be asked to enter the number of shares you own and the purchase price. This information is used to calculate the total value of your portfolio and to track the performance of your investments over time. Be sure to enter this information accurately, as it will affect the accuracy of the portfolio tracking features. After you have added all of your investments to your portfolio, you can view the performance of your portfolio by tapping on the portfolio name. This will take you to a detailed summary page that shows the total value of your portfolio, as well as the performance of each individual investment. You can also use the various charts and graphs to visualize the performance of your portfolio over different time periods. To get the most out of your portfolio, be sure to regularly update the information to reflect any changes in your investments. This includes adding or removing investments, as well as updating the number of shares you own and the purchase price. By keeping your portfolio up to date, you can get a clear picture of your investment performance and make informed decisions about your investment strategy. Overall, creating a portfolio in the Yahoo Finance app is a quick and easy process that can help you track the performance of your investments and make informed decisions about your investment strategy. By following these steps and keeping your portfolio up to date, you can get the most out of your investments and achieve your financial goals.